Hello student, good morning all of you. In last YouTube lecture, I am discussed the definition of drug, qualities of ideal drug, and classification of drug. There are two types of classification of drug: functional drug and chemotherapeutics. Then today I am discussing with you synthesis and uses of some selected drugs. Totally there are 6 drugs. Then first drug is isoniazid. Isoniazid used as a anti-tubercular drug. Isoniazid is also called as rimiform or isonicotinic acid hydrazide. It is anti-tubercular drug and synthesized from paramethylpyridine, or paramethylpyridine is also called as a 4-methylpyridine. On oxidation, 4-methylpyridine forms isonicotinic acid, and this is followed by esterification and treatment with hydrazide to give isoniazid. Here, nitrogen as a heteroatom in benzene ring, then structure is called as the pyridine. Then, considering heteroatom nitrogen at para position or 4 position, CH3 group is attached. Therefore, name of this first structure is the paramethylpyridine, or it is also called as 4-methylpyridine. Then this paramethylpyridine or 4-methylpyridine undergoes oxidation to form isonicotinic acid. Here CH3 group undergoes oxidation. Oxidation is nothing but addition of oxygen. Therefore CH3 undergoes oxidation to form COOH. COOH functional group acid. Therefore name of this compound isonicotinic acid. Then isonicotinic acid undergoes esterification. Esterification means acid plus alcohol gives ester. Therefore isonicotinic acid react with ethanol in presence of HCl to form ester. Here COOH group is converted to the COC2H5. Then pyridine ring remains as it is. Then this ester again react with hydrazine, NH2, this group is called as the hydrazine. Here C2H5O and one of the H from hydrazine group NH2 release in the form of C2H5OH, that is ethanol molecule release and formation of here COC2H5. This group is converted to the CONH2. In case of NH2, one H is react with OC2H5 and release in the form of C2H5OH. Therefore remaining NH2 attached to the carbonyl group and formation of isoniazide. This is the synthesis of isoniazide starting from paramethylpyridine or 4-methylpyridine. Simple reaction: paramethylpyridine undergoes oxidation, CH3 group is converted to the COOH. Then this COOH undergoes acid react with ethanol, that is esterification, formation of ester, and when ester is react with hydrazine, then releasing ethanol molecule, formation of isoniazide. Here COC2H5 group is converted to the CONH2. This is the synthesis of isoniazide. Then isoniazide is used as an anti-tubercular drug. It is rapidly absorbed from gastrointestinal tract, so it can be given orally. It should be always included in curing more dangerous forms of tuberculosis. Resistance to isoniazide develops quickly, hence it is administered along with para-aminosalicylic acid, which delays unwanted effect. This is the isoniazide is used as the anti-tubercular drug. Then next anti-tubercular drug is ethambutol. Ethambutol is also used as an anti-tubercular drug. Then this drug is synthesized from nitropropane. Propane, 3-membered carbon atom propane, NO2 group attached. Therefore first product is the nitropropane. Then nitropropane react with formaldehyde. Here SCHO formaldehyde. I am writing here CH2O. Therefore nitropropane and formaldehyde in the presence of alkali, that is NaOH, to form 2-nitrobutanol. Therefore for increasing one carbon atom, reaction with formaldehyde and increase one carbon atom, nitropropane react with formaldehyde to form 2-nitrobutanol. Then this 2-nitrobutanol undergoes reduction in presence of iron H2SO4 or CaOH twice to formation of 2-amino-butanol. Means synthesis of ethane butanol containing two steps. First is the synthesis of 2-amino-butanol starting from nitropropane. Here NO2 group undergoes reduction converted to the NH2. Therefore name of this compound is the 2-amino-butanol. Then in second step, the amino alcohol form is then treated with 1,2-dichloroethane to get the drug ethane butol. Therefore, two molecules of 2-amino-butanol and one molecule of 1,2-dichloroethane react with each other by releasing two molecules of HCl. Here 1,2-dichloroethane Cl and NH2 from one of the H from NH2 group and Cl released in the form of HCl. Therefore, two molecules of 2-amino-butanol and one molecule of 1,2-dichloroethane react with each other to form ethane butol. Then this ethane butol, the drug is always used in the form of its salt dihydrochloride. It is used orally. Generally, it is given together with other antitubercular drug for treatment of pulmonary tuberculosis. It is used along with other medications to treat a number of infections including tuberculosis, the Mycobacterium avium complex and Mycobacterium consali. These two are the antitubercular drugs. First is the isoniazide and second is the ethane butol. Thank you for listening.